Welcome to Finance Unpacked, where we decode complex financial strategies and break them down into actionable insights you can apply to build real wealth. In today's deep dive, we're unpacking the exact steps I used to transform a humble $50 trading account into a consistent six-figure monthly income. This isn't about luck or hype. This is about discipline, strategy, and using every advantage smartly. Whether you're brand new to Forex trading or looking to scale your account the right way, this guide will give you the 5 powerful methods that can take you from blown accounts to consistent profitability. Let's get started. 1. Focus on quality over quantity. One of the biggest traps new traders fall into is the belief that more trades equal more profits. Early in my journey, I was guilty of exactly this. I thought the more trades I took, the better my chances. I'd open charts at every session, Asian, London, New York, and execute 10 or more trades daily. But I wasn't building an account, I was donating money to the market. Overtrading drains not just your account, but your focus and energy. For example, if you have a $500 account and risk $50 per trade, 10 trades a day at a 50% win rate, even with a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio, will still put you at a loss once spreads and commissions are factored in. This behavior will eat your capital alive. The breakthrough came when I began treating my small account like a $100,000 portfolio. I asked myself, would I take this trade if I were managing institutional funds? If the answer was no, I walked away. This mindset shift forced me to wait for only high-probability setups that aligned perfectly with my strategy. One quality trade can outperform 10 mediocre ones. That discipline changed everything. 2. Focus on risk to reward, not lot size. Another dangerous mindset is obsessing over lot size. Many traders think ramping up position sizes is the fastest way to grow a small account. I've been there. I once turned $500 into nearly $99,000 in just 3 days using aggressive lot sizes and leverage. But just one bad trade erased it all. That's not trading, that's gambling. Professional traders obsess over risk-to-reward ratios, not big positions. I shifted from trying to make $50 by risking $50 to risking $5 to make $25 or more. That's a 1-to-5 risk-to-reward ratio. I aim to risk no more than 1% of my account on any given trade. This allowed me to withstand losing streaks while keeping my winners larger than my losses. Here's a contrast. Trader A risks $100 per trade on a $500 account and is nearly wiped out after 3 consecutive losses. Trader B risks $5 per trade and after 3 losses still has 97% of their capital intact. Consistency beats flash. When I embraced smart risk and reward discipline, my account started compounding steadily and sustainably. 3. Use smart leverage, not max leverage. Leverage is a double-edged sword. Initially, I loved using 1:500 leverage. It made small price moves look massive. But it also turned every tiny mistake into an account killer. One bad candle could blow out the entire balance. Eventually, I stopped using maximum leverage and dropped it to 150. That gave my trades room to breathe. I began seeing setups play out without getting stopped out prematurely. Smaller lot sizes like 0.01 or 0.05 on a $500 account gave me control over my trades instead of emotional panic. The truth is, high leverage gives an illusion of power, but it only works if your setup is perfect every time, and no trader is perfect. When I stopped treating leverage like a weapon and more like a safety tool, my win rate improved and my trading stress dropped dramatically. 4. Stick to one proven strategy. This was a massive turning point in my journey. I used to chase strategies like trends on social media. One week I was scalping. The next I was using smart money concepts. Every new YouTube video promised the magic formula. But with every switch, I was resetting my progress. I finally realized that success doesn't come from jumping between strategies. It comes from mastering one. I chose a market mechanics-based approach and went all in. I tracked every trade, journaled outcomes, and refined my entries. I stuck through the losses and focused on the bigger picture. That's when I noticed something powerful. Confidence grows with clarity. When you know your system inside out, you trade with intention. You stop second-guessing. You execute. You don't need 100 strategies, you need one you trust and the discipline to follow it. 5. Leverage more capital for greater profits. In the early days, I thought flipping small accounts fast was the only way to make real money. But it's not. The stress of trying to turn $500 into $50,000 will break most traders. I was stuck in a cycle. I'd win big, then lose it all on a bad trade. That's when I discovered the power of prop firm capital. Rather than risking my tiny account, I passed a challenge and gained access to $50,000 in trading capital. With proper risk management and smart setups, I was finally playing the game at scale. Here's the reality: traders who make serious money aren't the ones flipping micro accounts. They're the ones controlling large sums with disciplined risk per trade. Leveraging outside capital allowed me to trade larger while maintaining strict risk controls. That shift created stability, consistency, and life-changing results. That's how I grew my $50 account into a six-figure monthly income. No gimmicks. No overnight miracles. Just smart strategy, discipline, and treating trading like a business. If you take anything away from this guide, let it be this: small accounts can grow, but only with precision, patience, and purpose. Overtrading, emotional leverage, and random strategies will always lead to losses. But with strong risk-to-reward ratios, proper leverage, one trusted system, and eventually access to more capital, the game changes in your favor. This is Finance Unpacked, where we break down the real tools, tactics, and mindset needed to win in today's financial world. If you're serious about turning trading into a reliable income stream, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick with us as we dive deeper into the financial strategies that actually work. Your journey from $50 to financial freedom starts here.